Kujoshia or Jona Kutaka, Jine Twaling Totu, Tiela Shasharusha Tena, Lawatu Women of the Year. Kuchimora Chitiana Shi, Kuma Bilalo, Guyahalumika, Nisa Salida, okay? So I'm so happy to be back here in Milwaukee. Milwaukee has a soft spot in my heart because this is where my journey began. You'll see on stage here that I have a lot of our Miss Hmongs on stage along with our escorts and my son. Why? Because I know how hard it is to work for the community. I want you guys to be able to appreciate everyone who's standing up here because they're going to be future leaders in our community. And that's why they're up here to receive this award with me. I left Milwaukee a long time ago. And I got married, went to Madison, and I have helped Madison develop to where it is today. My husband, G. Tao, is now the chairman of the New Year in Madison. But with that said, along the way, I have helped others, and I know that it's okay not to be recognized. I know that what I'm doing is to give others a spotlight and for them to shine. And that's all I ever wanted for our Hmong community is for each of us to support and help each other. With that said, I've been gone a long time, right? But being back, I have all the support that I need here in Milwaukee to be able to stand up here. I have asked all of you guys to stand on stage with me because I know how hard it is. The road may be really hard, and sometimes you may feel alone, but you are not alone. Look at all of you guys on stage right now, supporting each other and being here. Look into the audience of all the people who are supporting you, and that's why they're here today. You are here with others who are going on similar journeys to make an impact in our community. And when you are successful, the community is successful. Today, I have you on the stage with me to share this award and to encourage you to continue being the change you want to see in this world and in this community. I hope one day you will be back on this stage as chairman, chairwoman, as a coordinator, the volunteer, the man of the year, or the woman of the year. Just as Miss Hmong Milwaukee, Wisconsin was a stepping stone, this award is another stepping stone to help me get to my goals and to remind me of what I stand for in this community. I am passionate about equity and sustainability. I love my community. And I will always remember where I came from. Milwaukee, that's you. So lastly, thank you to my parents, to my in-laws, and to my husband for always loving and supporting what I do for the community. And ladies and gentlemen, remember, you stand up here with me today. You deserve this award as much as anybody else. So congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much and Happy New Year, Milwaukee.